In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your design in multiple formats in Canva. Let's get started right inside your Canva design. Once you're happy with how everything looks and you're ready to save it to your computer, the very first thing you need to do is go to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll see a button labeled Share. This is the same button you'd use if you wanted to send your design to someone else, but it also contains all of your download options. Go ahead and click on Share. When you click Share, a menu will open with several choices like sharing a link, inviting people to edit, and more. For this tutorial, we're interested in saving the design to your device, so look for the option that says Download. It usually has a small download icon next to it. Click on Download to open the Download Settings panel. Now you'll see a new panel appear, usually on the right side or in the middle of the screen, with different options for how you want to export your file. One of the most important sections here is File Type. This is where you tell Canva what format you want to use, such as PNG, JPG, PDF, or others, depending on your design and your Canva plan. Next, look for a small arrow next to File Type. This arrow is typically pointing down, and it means there's a drop-down menu with more choices. Click on that small arrow to expand the list. Once you do, you'll see all the different formats available for this particular design. From here, simply select the format that best suits your needs. For example, if you're downloading an image for social media or a presentation, PNG is a great option because it keeps the quality high. If you need a smaller file for a website or email, JPG might be better. If your design is something like a document, flyer, or poster that you plan to print or share as a multi-page file, choose one of the PDF options. After selecting the format you want, you can double check any additional settings that appear, such as size, quality, or which pages to include, if that applies to your design. When you're happy with everything, click the main download button in that panel. Canva will process your design and then save the file to your computer, usually in your default downloads folder. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can quickly download your Canva design in